This is a complete guide on how to set up your toothbrush. Chapters are below. First thing you're going to need to do is you need to take the charging cable and plug this into the wall. Once you've plugged the charging cable into the wall, how we can actually charge our toothbrush is you want to put this down, ideally in your bathroom or wherever you're brushing your teeth, and take the toothbrush and plop it on the top like so. You can see it'll automatically light up, indicating that it's actually started charging. This is a magnetic charger, so basically you just want to leave it on here anytime you're not brushing your teeth, so it's always charging. Second thing we're going to mention is how you can actually change your head. How you can do this is you simply pull it off. You want to replace it every 3 months, even if it doesn't seem like it needs to be replaced, and you can always clean inside of here using a rag or ideally something like a Q-tip or paper towel because it will get dirty. So I recommend cleaning that every time you change your head. How you can actually use this toothbrush and turn it on is you can see we can simply click on the power button. When you click on the power button, it'll automatically start a timer just on this charging pad, indicating how long you've actually been brushing your teeth. It'll go up to 2 minutes, which is the recommended amount of time you brush your teeth by dentists. But how you can actually turn on and use your toothbrush, when you take it off of the pad like this, you can see right here there's this power button. You can always change the mode if you have sensitive gums, sensitive teeth, and you can choose which mode you're actually going for. In this case, I'm going to go for super sensitive because my teeth are obviously super sensitive. I recommend experimenting with these different modes so you can find the best one for you. But once you've set the mode, you simply click on the power button once again, and it'll automatically just start brushing your teeth once you click it a second time, and it'll start a timer just on this pad like so, the charging pad. It'll go up to 2 minutes, which is the daily recommended time you brush your teeth by dentists. And it'll also give you the timer on here as well. And you can see it'll basically break it up into sections. So it'll vibrate every 30 seconds to switch from brushing from one corner to the next corner, to the bottom corner, to the right corner. So you can get the full experience and the best optimal way to brush your teeth. While you're brushing your teeth, you can always change the mode, whether you want it to be on whiten, scum care, or sensitive. You can change this later on like so. But after it's been 2 minutes, you can simply click on the power button and it'll basically just say you're done brushing your teeth, and you put it back on the pad and it'll display how long you actually brushed them. And finally, you can actually get the app, which will basically Bluetooth connect your toothbrush to the app to show you which areas you've actually been brushing the most, whether you've been brushing your gums, the top of your teeth significantly more than your bottom, and any areas that you might be missing. All you need to do to connect this is you need to get the Oral-B app, and it'll basically keep a log of how long you've actually been brushing your teeth for every single day and what areas you're missing, as I mentioned before. But that's basically all you need to do to set up and use your toothbrush, and it's simple as that. Again, change the head every 3 months. Do not forget, you can always buy more. I'll link it in the description if you need a new one as well.